Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. So this is for you, top gifter. And check the comment down below if you've been tagged and this is your free tarot reading video post. Thank you so much for being one of the top gifters in one of my live streams. However, this reading may also resonate with cups, so water signs, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And Nine of Cups is about wish fulfillment. So maybe in the next 30 days may matutupad kang wish. This may be something connected sa secrets. Either makikip mo yung secret kasi upright siya, or kung sino man yung tanong ng tanong about that specific secret, parang mapapagod na siguro. Hindi na makikipag-coordinate, hindi na makikipag-usap, hindi na tanong ng tanong regarding that matter. Especially if it's something na you're not very comfortable talking about or disclosing to anyone. So, parang in the next 30 days siguro hindi ka niya, parang tatantanan ka na at last. Now, what do you need to focus on is Four of Swords. So, try strategizing on, I'm hearing anything na pwede mong gawin para either hindi na ma-open up yung topic na yon na very uncomfortable ka to discuss, or anong gagawin mo in order to make sure na next time hindi na kailangang may dapat ka pang itago, may dapat ka pang isikreto. Bottom of the deck is the Star card kasi parang probably late January, early Feb, baka meron kang ma-accomplish na parang ire-recognize ka, and then the public's attention will be directed on you or to you, na parang tawag nito, kung ano man yung ayaw mong ipagsabi, ayaw mong mapublicize, parang if mauulit yung situation, anong gagawin mo para wala ka ng sikreto, parang ganun. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome is Ace of Swords. So parang magagawan mo naman daw ng paraan kung ano yung tactic na gagawin mo para hindi na kailangang mag-secret, or kung merong maraming nagtatanong, parang mahanapan mo ng paraan para ma-divert yung attention ng mga tao away from that aspect of your life, of your personality na ayaw mong i-discuss. And I'm hearing because it's none of their business. So, nga naman, parang gawin mo ng paraan na pagka walang kinalaman sa dapat i-showcase in public, dapat hindi na tinatanong. How are you going to strategize into instilling that type of mindset sa public? Kasi parang makukuha mo ang attention ng public within late January, early Feb. Okay? So there. That's for you. If you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message.